How much does it cost to list your property on Airbnb? You want to get started in the short-term rental game, but you really want to know what it's going to cost you in fees before you get started. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the cost to host on Airbnb, the cost to host on VRBO, and then I'm going to give you a third site that is absolutely free for you to list your property on. If you stay till the very end, I'm going to give you a free gift that'll help you fast track your short-term rental business. So stay tuned till the end. Why short-term rentals? Airbnb is a peer-to-peer platform that allows you as a host to list your property, and it allows guests to search properties for their next vacation rental. It is essentially a large hotel franchise reservation system without the franchise fee and without the hotel. You can literally get started with one hotel room at a time. Airbnb has over 88 million unique visitors every single month, and they are one of the top sites for short-term rentals. What do they charge? So as a host, they're going to charge you absolutely nothing to set up your profile and to list your property. But once you get your first booking, they're going to charge you as a host 3%. They're also going to charge your guest about 14%. So is it worth it? To me, if it doesn't cost you anything to set it up front, you only pay when you book, what's the harm? If you don't make anything, you don't pay anything. VRBO. VRBO is part of HomeAway. They have over 14 million unique visitors every single month. They are different than Airbnb. Each town is a little bit different depending on which one is dominant. In my personal experience, VRBO has a higher per night clientele, and it's more of a true vacation rental, whereas Airbnb could be traveling nurses, traveling contractors, somebody just visiting their family. So it's more of middle America, and VRBO is more of vacation rentals. So what's VRBO charge? VRBO has two-tier pricing. The first one is a pay-as-you-go basis. There is a 3% credit card processing fee and a 5% commission. And then the second option they have is an annual membership. That annual membership is $499, and then you still pay the 3% credit card processing fee. So if you think your rental is going to generate under $10,000 a year in annual gross revenue, you're better off going with VRBO on the pay per booking fee. If you think your property is going to rent for more than $10,000 a year, you're better off paying the annual membership. They also charge your guests between 6 and 15%. I'd like to know what sites you guys are using and what's your favorite. Put it in the comments below. The third site that I promised to tell you about is Hoofy, Houfy. It stands for Housing for You. And this site is absolutely free for hosts and guests. There is one other option that I like to use. My wife and I recently bought a vacation rental in Myrtle Beach. Now this option is going to vary from location to location. In Myrtle Beach, in the certain section where we are in North Myrtle Beach, there happens to be a Facebook page that is called Shore Drive Mafia. And it is absolutely amazing. Anyone who is in and around or familiar with that area goes to this Facebook page or is already a member of this Facebook page, and they exchange rentals nonstop. So they share things like local bands at different bars or venues, what's going on in the area, and it's just an absolutely great place to rent property in North Myrtle. Now, the way I manage the calendar and accept payments is through Hoofy, the free site I talked to you a little bit earlier about. Facebook Marketplace or a Facebook page in the right location can be an unbelievable free tool for you. So depending where your vacation rental is, look into Facebook pages. Right after this, I'm going to tell you how to get that free gift I promised you.